Now I am going to compare each and every letter from the text and pattern C to D, C to B, A to A. So match it is not been found, but the value of the hash code it is same. So next what we will do, we will have the rolling function, right? So next we consider C A C, this value we are consider, that is the next three letters. So if I put the value of C as 3, next A as 1 and plus C as 3, so again the value it is been get 7. So 7 it will matches it with the pattern hash code value 7, match it is been found. Again we are next checking the letter. So again the same case, the hash code value is found, but the letter it is not going to match. So next again the rolling hash function. So we are considering the next three letter, that is A, C, C. So for the A, C, C the value is 1, 3, 3. So 1 plus 3 plus 3. So again the value it is same, 7, 7. And if I consider the matching, so the match it is not been found. So what it says, it says that the match, the value of the hash function is same, but the text it is not been found. So each and every time the letter it is not been matching, so it is known as a spurious hit. So what it say, the spurious hit, the value is same, that is the hash code value is same, but the pattern it is not been matching. So each and every time when the spurious hits increases, the time complexity we are going to achieve when the spurious hits increases is big O of Nm. And when the spurious hit is not there, if I consider the previous example, in this previous example the spurious hit is not there, the time complexity is big O of N minus M plus 1. So definitely here within a less time we are getting the value, but in this example the spurious hit is more, so the time complexity it is big O of Nm. So here what Rabin Karp says, we are going to have the hash value in such a way that the hash code value should not be same. So if I go through the previous example, so I have slightly changed what we have defined. We have 4 is nothing but the value of D, 4 into 10 raised to 2. So now we are defining the position of the letters. Next we are going to have the value of B, 2 into 10 raised to 1 plus 1 into 10 raised to 0. Now you consider why 10. 10 is because the letters which we have considered in our example is up till to the J only. So that is why the base is the 10. If you consider the letters up till to the Z, so definitely the base is going to be up till to the 26 letters. So here I have defined just only, or I have considered the 10 letters only. So that is why the base is 10. So now if you have the value for this pattern, so the value is 421. Now next we matches it with the text. So the next value is CCA. So the hash code value for CCA is 331. So all I have previously said that 10 is nothing but the base. Why? Because we have considered just only the 10 letters. If you increase the letters, definitely the base is going to change. If you consider 15 letters, so the base is 15. I have considered just only 10 letters, so the base is only 10 only. So here the hash code value is 331. 331 we will going to matches it with 421. Match it is not been found. Next with the rolling hash we will consider the next 3 letters from the text, that is C, A, C. And again the value for C, A, C is 3 1 3. So 3 1 3 it will matches it with 4 to 1, match it is not been found. So we will going to shift to the next. So we are considering next three letter, that is A C C. The value of A C C is 133. 133 it will matches it with 421, match it is not been found. So it will go on rolling up till to the last when the match it is not been found. So if I consider the next, that is DBA. So here same for D, the value is 4 into 10 raised to 2, the power is 2, plus the value is for B is 2, that is 10 raised to 1, and for A the value is 10 raised to 0. So same the value, that is the hash code we are going to achieve is 421. So 421 it will matches it with 421, match it is been found with the hash value. Next we are going to match the letters. So D to D, match it is been found. Next letter is B to B, and the next last letter is A to A. So match it is been found. So in this case what it says that the pattern P into base m minus 1. So here if I consider the size of pattern, that is 3, so the power we are going to achieve is 2 1 0. So in this way we are going to reduce the spurious hits. In the previous example definitely the spurious hit is more, so that's why the time complexity is big of nm. In this example the spurious hit is not there, so that's why the time complexity is big of n minus m plus 1. So as the spurious hit increases, the time it requires more to execute. So that's why the Rabin curve they have suggested the hash concept with the help of the base. So here definitely the time complexity, if I go it again, the time complexity is same, big O of n minus m plus 1. So this one is the problem which is being solved with the help of Rabin